Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove uninstalled icons from the Start menu. To do that, simply go to Start menu, and click All Apps. Notice these three icons that cannot be removed or deleted in the Start menu. Even if you click Uninstall, it cannot be deleted, because the program was already uninstalled. So, to remove these three icons, simply right-click the icon you want to remove, then, select, More, and click, Open File Location, then, a new window will open. Select the icon you want to remove, by simply, deleting the program. Again, go to Start menu and go to All Apps, then select the icon you want to remove, by simply right-clicking on mouse. Then select, More, and click Open File Location, then, delete the icon program you want to remove in the Start menu. Now, let's check. Notice the icon is already gone in the Start menu. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you posted on my latest video upload. Thank you.